platform analytics experiences we're able to use as of the Tokyo release, but we're missing one vital part. Your own previously in Core UI created analytics data. So now, as of Washington, we're delivering a tool we call the Migration Center that will help you transitioning your existing analytics content to the platform analytics experiences. This content being existing filters, reports, performance analytics widgets, and dashboards. Admins and other power users will see this banner where they can access and learn more about the Migration Center. It gives extra context on value and a section with answers to frequently asked questions you might have. The admins can also just access the Migration Center from the left side menu. High level, the Migration Center will give you 3 options around migration of analytics data. For now in Washington, one option is to do nothing, postponing your decision to migrate. Even if this is your decision, it would be a good practice to already start your plan around transitioning to platform analytics and work on your migration strategy and enablement. The second option is to try out. This is your sandbox. With choosing this option, you have the power to already migrate parts of your content. For example, when you want to plan your change around first allowing certain groups to start using platform analytics. This option will allow you to select and migrate individual dashboards. As you can see here in the demo, it allows us to migrate some dashboards to platform analytics dashboards in the new experience. I can go there and immediately check upon the result or let my users test. If something would go wrong, you can delete the dashboard or roll back the migration you did. This tryout option, the sandbox, is a great way to have more control about what you want to migrate and what not. As a good practice, testing should be done on development, test, or other non-production environments. And if you have done that, and know that all your content will migrate fine, the default option of the Migration Center is to just migrate all your content. When you click Start Moving, the migration of all your content will start in the background. This you can still roll back if necessary. You will see a visual cue of how the migration is progressing. The convenient part of the migration is that here you can easily see the result. You can easily compare the Core UI content with the new platform analytics content. Also, there is logging per analytics content available to give you more context in case something did not migrate right. You will see analytics artifacts that are fully migrated and potentially also content that will run in a so-called compatibility mode. This mode means that a specific did not migrate right, maybe because of an issue, but most likely this is due to the use of unsupported artifacts. If this is the case, the content will still be viewable in the platform analytics UIs, but it will be rendered inside a special container and can only be updated by admins through Core UI ways for a time being. When all is fine, the migration into the new platform analytics experiences can be activated. Once that happens, the users will find their existing content in platform analytics. Their reports and PA widgets will be data visualizations. Their Core UI dashboards will be new platform analytics dashboards. This is when your users can really start using the platform analytics tools and experiences. Make sure to visit the community or documentation around latest support of analytics artifacts and guidance on activating the migration.